The next portion you're about to see is pretty famous and was the subject of a heap of criticism for this film. One was the assertion that this particular property owners could do this with their lighting their faucets on fire long before any fracking combinations showed up anywhere near them, and or number two, that they're paid professional actors who are doing this just to get a settlement check from the big natural gas companies. Let's see what you think.
Well, you be careful, because that one's known to nip butts. And it pinches pretty good.
Keep the camera over my butt now.
Yeah.
And it's gurgling.
Oh, wow. So that's the sample.
It's all settled out,
Right.
but that's what our water looked like.
That came just out of the tap?
Out of the tap.
Right.
So in 3 weeks, they contacted Mike by phone and said, we've tested your water. There's nothing wrong with your water.
With this?
With this. There's nothing wrong with the water that can be affected by the oil and gas production in your area.
So what have you been doing?
We put in.
Again, what they're saying is your water looks awful, and that's a real shame. But we are not the proximate cause. And if only these people had a linear history of testing their water using request to test, using mytapscore.com. In a couple minutes, somebody's going to be asking for an attorney, and they're going to say, wish I would have called an attorney. And I would say, yes, I wish you would have called me. I would have been able to help you. However, I could help you a lot more if we could show a legacy and historical empirical data of water that was at acceptable levels before the incidents, and then using mytapscore.com, and then after, the contaminants in the water being clearly having a chemical signature that's proximately caused by the fracking installation after. If you had that and you called me, I could definitely do something for you. I could certainly testify as an expert witness on the science side of it. I don't get involved in class action and toxic tort type litigation, but I certainly could be an expert witness regarding the science, the proximate cause, and what is and what is not admissible evidence.
Our own tank, and he hauls water every week.
I've got 2 500-gallon tanks, and I go to town once a week and buy water. It's a coin-operated thing, so I got to put in $15 worth of quarters.
The purpose of this letter is to inform you that Noble Energy has contracted LT Environmental to conduct an investigation. Okay. Possible natural gas impact on water well in the vicinity.
Again, I was a little disappointed in the state. I mean, obviously we have a problem here. 2 weeks ago they had the meeting, and I prepared a statement kind of outlining everything. You know, the director of the oil and gas, or acting director of the oil and gas, said, next question.
That was Dave.
Neslin. Or
Yeah, he kicked us out of his office two days ago.
So is there like a theme to your documentary? Do you have a message you're trying to get across with it?
I apologize very much for your inconvenience. I wish you good luck with your documentary.
Okay.
I'd be happy to talk to you off the record with some background information if that's helpful, but I just can't do it.
All right, well, we'll call you.
Okay?
All right.
Again, my apologies. Good luck. Have a good day.
All right, thanks.
Yep.
Thanks for watching. Let me know any other topics you want me to discuss. This YouTube channel is to help you. This is for information. I want to hear from you, and I want to know what things are on your mind.